Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of the data on Nothing Phone 4a. Okay, to create it we need to open up our settings first. So now scroll down until you find the system, and we have the backup right in here. Simply tap on that, and when it comes to Nothing Phone we can create a backup using our Google account. Now we have the backup details down below, and it is really important that you need to check is everything enabled. Find the backup. As you tap on photos and videos, make sure that it's enabled. Same thing with other device data, simply tap on that and make sure that backup other device data is also enabled. Down below we have our Google account that we are currently signed into. You can take a look at on it right in here. And it is really important that you cannot forget your Google account, simply because if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed into the exact same Google account. Also, you need to have some free storage space. In here you can take a look how much space you got left. If you don't have enough, you need to click on clean up space or get storage. And to create a backup, simply hit this green button, backup now. The whole process will now begin. But first we need to wait a little bit. In that place, a small circle will appear at any second. Okay, here it is, and as you take a look, it is slowly fulfilling. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification on the bottom if everything goes fine, so it may take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay, it has disappeared. Our backup has been successfully created. We can see on the other device data how many minutes ago the backup has finished. And as we tap on that, we can also see what things has been backupped under backup details. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.